Hello guys, we are welcome and we are back with another video. In this video I will tell you about the stories behind the successful stores and we will also discuss how did they get on top. Anyways, if you want to know any related knowledge to the Shopify store successfully, then you must like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, anyways, let's start the video. Here you can see the store which name is Luxai. Basically this store name is Luxai Hair. Luxai Hair is a Shopify store which is known for creating clip and hair extensions that thousands of women all around the world choose to use every day. They without any damage to your hair. Their website has a hair blog transformation videos, information about their story and products, and much more content to learn from. Okay, if you wanna take a quiz, there is also a option related to a quiz and some transformation pictures and some transformation stories. If we gonna talk about whether you have struggled to grow your hair past a certain point or want to look to feel incredible for a special occasion, we believe everyone deserves to have their hair off of their destination. Okay, if you gonna talk about their dreams, a people are commitment to delivering an unbeatable customer experience has earned a Luxai Hair as the rated clip and hair extension brand in the world. But if you talk about a beautiful hair is only the beginning. We are committed. This was the statement of Luxa here that we are committed to giving you a total package, exceptional customer support, transparency, and confidence. Our mission is to help women look and feel beautiful every day because we are as promising to you. Beyond beautiful hair, our mission is to inspire confidence and empower you to look and feel your best. Our customers are the center of everything we do. Like a best friend, we dedicate ourselves to being there for you all the time. Need some hair advice, want to request a new product, just have a question. Whatever, whenever, they are always here. And if you are talk about the Laksa here by bringing their customers the very best of everything, earning us the little rated clip and hair extension brand in the world, along with 100% of Rima human hair extension and a range of premium accessories. They have created tons of styling tutorials and hair care guides so you can get the hair of your dreams long after your purchase. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and innovative videos. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and don't forget to hit the bell icon button.